Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a little fun part one unboxing of some Angela Caglia Skincare that I have recently been intrigued by and just showed up a few little things. I also just got back from getting a facial, you guys, so I am completely makeup free for a reason. I just, I like to have a makeup free day from time to time. And after I get a facial, I always feel like, ooh, I don't want to contaminate what they did by putting makeup and stuff on. So just ignore my blank face today, but let's get into the fun goodies. This showed up today, and unfortunately it's not everything, but I have been, you know, I'm a total beauty skincare junkie, and I have been wanting to get one of those lovely jade rollers. And Angela Caglia was having a really good deal on her website where you ended up, if you spent $100, getting free little rosebud eye quartz for your eyes. So you guys, that just sounded right up my alley, and I am currently at home by myself this weekend because my daughter and husband went on a fun little father-daughter trip to New Orleans. So I have been turning this into my little spa weekend. So I think it's so appropriate that this showed up right now. So I've been starting my days out with my celery water, then I got a facial, and now I came home. And you guys, these little rose quartz eye treatments they're already chilled from being outside. And you guys, oh my gosh, I have to just tell you, this feels like the best thing in America. So I literally, when I saw these, was just like, this would be so amazing. And then when she had the deal, I've been very intrigued by Angela Caglia's whole skincare line. She is a Hollywood esthetician, but she has been taught in the French skincare industry forever. And she has created small batch produced, responsibly sourced products. And she does not have a very big product line. And again, she uses some really interesting ingredients that are all very clean and green. And I always tend to be kind of on the edge of, you know, I like things that are, I like the idea of clean and green, but I also like technology. So I've been a little bit intrigued by her line and decided to go ahead and jump in and pick up a few things to show you guys. So number one, it is still available, but if you spend $100 on our website, you can get these free little quartz things that you guys, this eye set is normally $65. It comes in this beautifully packaged little box here, you guys. Beautiful packaging. My favorite pink. I don't know, I've just been really attracted to pink lately. And then you guys, these are amazing. So I only just used this for 1 second, but I have to tell you, just is going to be so great to depuff my eyes and then kind of give it a little lift. But she recommends putting these in your refrigerator, and then this would be such a really great way to invigorate your morning routine. So super excited about these guys, and so far I have to just tell you, I mean, isn't this just absolutely adorable? Okay, so that. Then the other thing, believe it or not, I do not have a rose quartz roller or a jade roller. I have a Nurse Jamie firming little guy, but this just looked really amazing. And again, this is cold because it's been waiting outside from when I came back in. And you guys, it feels so good. So I do have my zip, but that is something that I'm going to use as a treatment. It's going to be something that I use, you know, like it's a 20-minute basic kind of something I'm going to do, whereas this is something I feel like I could use. It's nice and hearty. You guys, again, beautiful, if you can see that. The name is on here, and then I think it would just be awesome to be putting on my serums and then really kind of putting them on and rolling them into my skin. So, oh, this feels so good, you guys. Now, I just came back from a facial, so let's see what it says. This is the La Vie and Rose face roller. Hey guys, I can't read without my glasses. So it says, create your own self-care ritual at home with Angela's luxurious rose quartz facial roller that helps reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles, increase absorption of skincare products, and promote an instant glow. Also known for its beautifying and love energy properties, this rose quartz face roller facial muscle tension and maximize the effectiveness of Angela's natural skincare line. So you guys, this just looked really amazing, and you knew that I was gonna have to get one of those. Someone had recommended it for me previously, and again, you guys, it comes beautifully packaged. So here is the box, and then inside, oops, a little card of how to use it and how to take care of it. And then it has this cute little silk lined, or I don't know if it's actually silk, but it is absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna house my little guy back in here. Isn't that gorgeous? And then let's put this in here. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, next thing is, I got her Angela Power Cleansing Balm, and this is hydrating, and it's meadow foam seed oil, rose geranium, and shea butter. So you guys, I have to admit, I was a little bit worried because her line has some essential oils, but after reading a bunch of reviews and stuff, especially from someone who suffers from rosacea, who was also worried about it, basically kind of decided to dive in and try a few of her products because they seemed very simple. They get rave reviews, and I just thought that, you know what, we'll do a little test of this. It says, again, the packaging is absolutely adorable. I don't know if you can see it, but it says, smile, you're glowing. And it says, warm a small amount in the palm of your hand and gently massage onto dry face for 60 to 90 seconds. Add a little warm water with the fingertips. Massage to emulsify the oil into a rich milk. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. And then follow with Angela luxury face oil. So you guys, this looks, it's like loaded with a bunch of good ingredients. And I am going to show you, take this little guy out. You guys know I love a good balm. So this was also said that this could be an overnight mask. Oh, you guys, it smells absolutely lovely. Now it does smell like that kind of rose geranium. I'm gonna take a little bit. Ooh, that is lovely. I love the texture of balms. You guys are just so comforting. And I'm gonna put this guy away. And I'm gonna be doing a further video about this whole line because I don't have all of the products that I had ordered. So we'll do a part 2 with a try on. But just rubbing this into my hand, it feels so luxurious and wonderful. And it smells amazing. Absolutely smells amazing. You guys, I know I look a little rough right now, but the woman's, I just came back from the facial, but she put a bunch of yummy smelling goodness on. So although I may look a little rough, I'm feeling very relaxed. Okay, and then This is Angela Caglia's Get the Hollywood Glow Facial in a Mask. Brightening and firming with meadow foam seed oil, peptides, vitamin C, 24 karat gold, and lactic acid. So you guys, this is 3 sheet masks, and I thought what I would do is actually do one of these with you using the roller technique that was discussed, and then using a few of the other products that have not shown up yet. So I just wanted to show you, it came in a cute box and stuffed with nice little tissue paper. And I know, I'm tinkering, this is scary, this is what happens to me. But this just seemed like too good of a deal not to pass up, and I am already, can tell you, I'm so in love with these little rose quartz eyes. I'm going to put the link below. This is from her website directly. You can find this at Pharmaca. And I'm trying to think one more thing. I thought there was supposed to be a sample of her souffle moisturizer, but I'm not seeing that at the moment. So it says 1 souffle moisturizer sample with every order. I guess I didn't get mine. Anyhow, just lovely packaging. Absolutely excited about this brand. And again, I am going to do a whole brand tutorial, but just thought it would be fun to pop on and show you my little mini skincare haul. And I can't wait to tell you a little bit more about the line. I do have the souffle moisturizer coming because I just finished my Biologique Recherche cream, and so I was looking for something else, and of course, you know, being who I am, I had to try something new. So I will be back, you guys, with some more of her products, and I am so excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And now I'm going to go chill out. I am going to be working on taxes today. So exciting. And then I do have to tell you one funny thing is I've had the winter blues a little bit. Living in the Pacific Northwest, and it's been hailing today. We're going to be going down to Savannah and Charleston to be looking at some schools with my daughter later this fall. And so I have been laughing because I have been dosing out on this horrible reality show called Southern Charm. And you guys, it is like so bad that it's almost funny, if you know what I mean. It is just easy to watch. It's humorous, but it also gives you a great background of how beautiful Charleston, South Carolina is. I'm really hoping that the show is not indicative of what it is actually like there. And these are a bunch of young people, you know, who are very well off, and it's all about drinking, debauchery, and all that kind of stuff. But what do you expect from a little reality show? But anyways, I'll be binging on that while doing my taxes, and just taking a little makeup free day today. But I will be back with another video. And again, as always, thank you for watching.